Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Metamask application on your Android phone. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Google Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Metamask and search. Look for the application from Metamask Web3 Wallet and tap on the Install button to begin downloading the app on your Android phone. Now, wait until the application is downloaded and installed. Metamask is a cryptocurrency wallet and a gateway to blockchain applications. It allows users to interact with decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain, as well as other blockchains that support the Ethereum virtual machine. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open, and there you have it, Metamask wallet application for your Android device. Import an existing wallet or create a new wallet and get started. That's it for today's video. That is how you can easily download Metamask. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.